You ever feel like you're being watched? Not like a creepy neighbor kind of watched, but more like your business software is keeping tabs on your every move. Today, we're diving into the digital underbelly of Housecall Pro. Let's talk about tracking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tracking? Big deal. Every software probably tracks something. And you're right. But the real question is, what is Housecall Pro tracking? And more importantly, how is that data being used? Let's break it down. First off, what do we mean by tracking? We're talking about the software collecting information about you and your business. This could be anything from the obvious stuff like what features you use, to the more eyebrow-raising details like how long you spend on each screen. Now, Housecall Pro, like most software, uses this data to improve its product. They analyze trends, identify bugs, and figure out which features are actually getting used. Fair enough, right? But it's the other uses of data that can get a bit murky. For example, Housecall Pro might use your data to personalize your experience. This could be helpful, like suggesting features you might find useful based on your behavior. Or it could be a little creepy, like showing you ads for competing software. Then there's the matter of data sharing. Housecall Pro might share your data with third-party companies for marketing or analytics purposes. Again, this is something to be aware of. So, how can you protect yourself? Well, the first step is understanding what data Housecall Pro collects. Their privacy policy should outline this information. Take the time to read it. It might be dry, but it's important. Next, consider what data you're actually willing to share. Can you limit the information you input into the software? Maybe there are certain fields you can leave blank. Finally, keep an eye on Housecall Pro's updates. Sometimes, changes to privacy policies can slip under the radar. Now, I'm not saying Housecall Pro is out to get you, but it's essential to be informed about how your data is being used. Knowledge is power, after all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.